Hi guys! May bisita tayo. Ang aking daughter. Ayan, dinala niya tayo ng lunch. We're having
Poke Express.
Poke Express. Ito is tuna, right?
Garlic ahi.
Oh, garlic ahi. This is avocado ahi.
Spicy mayo.
Spicy mayo.
Tauhana.
Pauhara. And then I have seaweed salad and she's having rice. So, nag-pray na kami. Let's eat. Pinipilit niya ako magkanin pero ayoko. Ang sarap. Nag-pray na kami and syempre, nagugas na ng kamay.
I need to try this one.
Saan? Ito? Ano to?
Basta. Can I dump
Masarap.
this?
Yeah.
Basta masarap yan.
Sarap nga. You know what? Anak, I have a... Oh, no. Oh, yeah, I do. I have seaweed. Diba? This is perfect. So, this is spicy mayo. See?
So good.
Ito, kumusta ka, anak?
Mabuti, ma'am. Ikaw, ma'am?
Very good. Not really. I'm better. Yeah. Can you bring lunch? So good.
Thank you for
sarap.
suggesting it. Parehas pala craving natin.
I'll guess mag-ina tayo. Pareho kami nag-crave ng poke can you hand me some tissue? It's right there. Thank you.
So good.
Sarap. Off ka?
I'm gonna go to the gym.
What time? Right now?
Pagkatapos nito.
Did you bring your clothes? You're a busy woman, ha? Iniwan mo si mom sa bahay. Galing siya sa church, tuloy-tuloy na siya. Meron siyang doctor's appointment, and then lunch, and then mag-gym siya. Kaya naman, ang ganda ng katawan niya.
Tumatakbo na ako.
Are you jealous of me? Are you?
Just a mile.
You know, I noticed. Pag tumatakbo ka, tumatakbo na, yung parang pag nagka-cardio ka, nakakalis ng stress, no? So I'm thinking,
Masaya ka after.
yeah. So every time you go to the gym, I'm thinking, siguro stress yun, no? Sabi ko. Kaya lagi siya sa gym. Kasi nakakalis ng stress pag
Totoo yan.
Yeah, no? Totoo?
You're so right, mom.
Yeah. Now I can understand you.
Nagutuman ako. Nagutuman ako.
Ano? Ang sarap nito, no? This is just, perfect size, anak, no? Siguro kung may bisita ka, pwede mong anuhin yung
Come on now.
Yeah. Gaano kaya kadami yun?
Ganito kalaki.
Oh, yeah?
Masarap tong potluck.
Oh, yeah. That's right.
They just close early.
Yeah.
Anong paborito mo dyan po?
Lahat sila eh. This one's so good. This one. Well, tapusin natin ang ating video na. Ayan po. Tatapusin na namin ang aming lunch. Ubusin namin yan. Thank you guys for watching.